Trades. Name is Goose. And oh boy, what a great week it has been. Bull market is back, baby. Let's get it. Hello, Brian. Hello, Seth. Hello, Nick. Trading NFP Power Hour? Ha. No, sir. We trade Power Hour every Friday, baby. It is a party. Maybe we'll get a little silly and throw some micros on today. Literally, what's great is our high a day strat. Like, it's already out the window. Already high a day starting off and Power Hour. So we'll see. Maybe we'll throw a micro or two or something, but or maybe we won't. Either way, it's gonna be a party, fam. Let's... Trying to get my Bullock set up here. Not going to trade the personal count. That one's already set for the week. But, there we go. That's better. I don't like it when it has little lines on the trading thing. Yeah, we had 3 longs earlier today. We were all at the 30-second opening range, which I need to redraw on NQ because it is gone now. We had 3 longs off that 30-second opening range. All 3 worked out. Didn't hold a runner. Looking back now, probably should have. Oh well. I mean, does that 30-second opening range trade get much better than that? I don't think so. I don't think so. Like I said, we hit it like 3 times, never held a runner, but got some good trades off of it. 3 good trades. Didn't hit anything with much size today, as our week was kind of already made. I do apologize for the accent. I have a cowboy hat now, so as you all know, once you put on the cowboy hat, you have to talk like a cowboy.
Your love, it was only pretend. Oh, looky here, I am walking away. I turn around if you beg me to stay. This time I don't think so. I had enough of your romance reflow. Heartbreaker with an ego. You were doing some things that could have been illegal. Makes sense out of nothing at all. You were pretty much evil, but I've got more to say. No, I never met nobody like you. There ain't no compliment, that's the truth. You're nothing but a cold heart covered in gold. That's why I'm leaving you.
Oh, that's fine. There we go. Sorry, I had to readjust my charts. We're all fixed up now. I mean, these options volumes just absolutely pan.
I had enough of your romance, we blow.
I love him. I love him so much. I mean, can we talk about how great these levels is? Look at that. Absolutely paying.
That's why I'm leaving you.
Hello, Rocky. Hello, Seth. Welcome to the party. Hello, Keith. Hello, Cord Survey. Good to see you guys. How was everyone's week? Let's talk about that. How was everyone's week? Well, how's it going? Let's talk about that. How did everyone's week go? Survey, you may convert to CL trading after this week. Oh, it's been a good week in oil, that's for sure. Look at the hat. Look at the hat. That's how you know it's been a good week in oil. Personally, for me, I had a fantastic week. Bull market, baby, you know I'm going to be hitting it hard in the bull market. And with our options volume, we knew it was a bull market on October 31st. What was that, Monday? Or was that Tuesday? Whatever day that was, that would have been October 31st. Gotta scroll on. That would have been Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we knew, hey, if we get above this volume right here, it's going to be a hella bullish day. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It was a bullish day. It was a bullish day. And then the next 2 days opened above our call volume. And you know what we said? Oh, it's probably going to squeeze really hard. And you know what it did? You know what it did? It squeezed really hard. Great days. Just absolutely fantastic days. We hit them longs. We hit them hard and with leverage. And I'll tell you what, we made our month's profit target already in 2 days. 2 days. So overall, like very, very happy with this week. Great week. I love a good trending market. I don't care what direction it's going to trend. Just as long as it trends hard, man, we can make some good money in them markets. As far as right now goes, though, man, I really ain't got no idea. It's power hour. We're above the call volume on both, but with it being power hour, are we going to close at 4380 on ES and at let's switch over to NQ here. Are we going to close at 15200? I mean, I feel like that's probably where we're going to close today, at those two, at that call level. But I'm not. I don't know. It's been a pretty rippy week. Let's look at our daily. Oh my God! Look at that. Isn't that hilarious? Oh, let's turn them tunes back up. My bad. Man, this daily is just absolutely insane. Can we just take a moment here and appreciate this rip? Oh my gosh. Look at that. The last 3 days were just absolutely insane as far as buying goes. What a rip. What a rip. I feel sorry for all of them poor suckers out there trying to short this thing. That would have been a tough situation to be in. That is a liquidation hunter there for them shorts. Initial balance high, kind of holding on the yes. I mean, structure-wise, though, oh, this is not a great place to be long. I sure is thinking about it, though. Friday Power Hour party. Welcome, Ride the Wave. Good to see you. Grab a beer, grab some tequila, grab a whiskey. Let's get this party started. That short sure does look delicious. I ain't gonna take it though. There's not a lot of things lining up here. We're above that call volume. We're above the call volume by quite a bit on the S. Let's check out our options and analytics. 14,250 has got quite a bit of volume. With all that volume up there at 250, 15,250, I don't mind that being the next area of love and appreciation. Nothing much above there though. That's the consoling thing. Man, quite a bit volume at 15,100. Not a high reward trade in either direction right now, I tell you that. Sir DeBay, congratulations! 1,200 days without drinking? Congrats, my man! Decoy, hello, hello. No more news left today. Oh, thank goodness. Although some news would be a little bit more entertaining for us, I guess. We can get a little saucy on her. Eunice, yo, what's up, my dude? How you doing? Eunice. Oh, it's Eunice. Oh, from Discord. Oh my God, I never made that correlation. So now that makes so much sense. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Survey, you did a lifetime of drinking just in a shorter span. Well, I'm proud of you for getting sober, my dude. I am the proud. Decoy, be nice now. Just because you're an alcoholic. Decoy drinks a whole bunch of bourbon like every night. He's got a whole barrel named after him. Man, that is a beautiful looking little shorty boy there. He's sort of angry. Why he never went. Y'all is so silly. Y'all is gonna get the Silly Goose Award here in a second. Dennis, there's a roller coaster day for you. Tell us about it. Tell us about your day. For me, I had a couple longs off that opening range there on NQ, as you can see here. These were real light, 3M NQ at a time. Turn down just a little bit. I had 3 longs here. Just, like I said, 3M NQ at a time out of this opening range on MNQ. And yeah, the last one probably should have held a runner, but man, it was chopping around. It looked kind of gross. And I wasn't going to be shocked if we came down and tested 4340. That's our midpoint of our options as well. And also this launch point here. So I wasn't, especially with the rips we've been having, I was aware that we could have a relaxation day. And yeah, no, it didn't. It ended up supporting. It fought hard, but it ended up supporting and ended up ripping, which I don't care. I made $200 on the day off just a couple little MNQ trades on a day I didn't even think I was going to trade, which you guys know is a lie because I trade every day. But I always say I'm not going to trade, and then I end up doing it anyway. But no, so I'm going to take it. Like I said, this week, I basically made my whole November just this week of these last 3 days. I caught some fat runners with some size. And so we're kind of just chilling. Today looks ugly to trade, says Rocky. Honestly, I don't disagree with you whatsoever. Outside of that 30-second opening range trade, I had nothing else. I mean, Rocket Scooter, the map said bull long up, but everything underneath, hedge pressure, I mean, that map looked disgusting. I was prepared for kind of a gross choppy range day. We ended up ripping. It ended up ripping, but it took some work to get there. Eunice, you went from -1,000 to 200 profit for the day. Oh my goodness. You have got to be mentally and physically exhausted after some swings like that. Oh my goodness. But I'm proud of you for getting positive. That's quite the swing of emotions. You made $1,200. You just had to lose 1,000 first. But I'm proud of you. So everybody says, found CL was so much easier to trade today. Adam killed it on CL as well today. A lot of people kill. I didn't have my CL chart open today. I watched him in Q there this morning and caught that trade, and I was pretty much just over it. It's been a great week, and I didn't have any desire to keep trading. But I'm glad that oil paid. Like I said, I didn't watch it all today, but a lot of people caught that long earlier. Yeah, Rocky got his 10 and hasn't seen anything since. He's just getting prepped. It's Rocky's dog's birthday next week, and if you've been a member of our Discord for any amount of time, you know that is the biggest holiday. That is the absolute biggest holiday in all of our Discord. So be prepared. Next week is going to be a party week. We're gonna get long 1 MNQ here. Light. Just one. Just one. I know it's at the top, but we're at the top of this call wall, and if this holds, then we'll squeeze into close. And that is the theory here. Although, like I said, if it fails, we'll get out pretty quick. I'm not too enticed here.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna
Long term, I don't necessarily like this long, but just into close, I don't mind it at all. Just from an options perspective. Everybody says I'm at the bottom of the channel, so it's possible. It is. I kind of got a shitty entry. I went in at 207. Oh well. Like I said, it's 1 MNQ. I'll risk like $50 on it. More or less just doing it for entertainment value. You guys deserve it. It's been a great week. I was gone for 2 weeks, so you guys deserve a long right now. If we lose this green level whatsoever, yeah, we'll be out. Also testing initial balance high on ES. Looks like it's going to try to lose this level and we'll have to kill it. That's alright. Come on, baby, pump for us. Hello, Sam. Glad you're alive to come hang out. Yeah, they're just like the cheap Amazon lights. They're like... Oh, God, what a jam. They're like $20 on Amazon. You can get a 100-foot strip. Chick-fil-A money, that is for sure. Caleb, hello. Honeyman. Brian's back. Hello, Brian.
Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, let's give it a whirl. See, I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do it. That ass shaking thing you do. So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you wanna play. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. I don't need no heart. Just wanna rock you, girl. You can move, but be calm. Let's go, let's give it a whirl. See, it appears to me you like the way I move. I tell you what I'm gonna do. Pull you close and share my groove. So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right.
Looks like we're gonna lose this level here. Break below 190, I'll kill her. I'll kill her.
Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you wanna play. It's me.
Yeah, I'm not opposed to selling off this rest of the afternoon. I mean, we've ripped so hard all week long, right? So some profit taken here to close the week. Not surprised. But like I said, we have this options volume here. Kind of expected it to hold. We got a little bit of a level right here too. So we'll give her a chance. Like I said, it's 1 MNQ, so I really don't care that much. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, like what Rocky said, not even a sell-off, just like a relief of bull pressure. I mean, they've been buying hard. Caleb knows what I'm talking about. All right, that marks the half-hour mark. So, let the selling commence, it looks like. Ooh, power trade as well. Where at? I got the notification, but I don't see it nowhere. Oh, it was on NQ. NQ power trade came through. These settings is 1,005 seconds. That's not very good settings, but we'll leave it on there. Something to note. Are you feeling me? Yep. There them silly boys come through. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, we're gonna kill this boy right here. We're gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her. We lost $40, but we don't care. Oh, what a jam. We lost this call wall here. You know, we gave her a little bit of space, but now we're falling through pretty hard. So, we'll let her do her thing. ES just now at that call wall, but I think it's probably gonna flush through too. Caleb's cooking honey biscuits and frying chicken. Send pics in the Discord, Caleb. We want to see what you cooking up.
Vi tar en vända till systemet där du på. Ja, vi tar ett glas till medans ölen är kall. Vi hoppar upp och ner och vi bjuder upp till dans. Ja, vi tar ett glas till medans ölen är kall. Nu hänger alla med för vi kommer skapa kaos. Vi sjunger ja, vi tar ett glas till medans ölen är kall. Vi hoppar upp och ner och vi bjuder upp till dans. Ja, vi tar ett glas till medans ölen är kall. Vi hoppar upp och ner och vi bjuder upp till dans. Ja, vi tar ett glas till medans ölen är kall. Nu hänger alla med. This 4300 level sure is fighting. Yeah, they don't seem jazzed up, do they, Rocky? Do they? I mean, they're tempting me to go in the micro. Tempting. I don't think I'm gonna do it twice, though. Allegedly.
We're getting a little bit of selling volume come in though, but like I said, they're just not making, I would expect more. It's like they're waiting for confirmation of something. What are they waiting on though? I have no idea. What are we waiting to see here? You know what's gonna be real hilarious? They probably just came down and run my stop. The stop that I didn't have. I don't like the little disrespect of that call wall though. So I'm good with like chilling out as well. That disrespect is not a vibe. Not a vibe. It's still crazy when you look at the daily candle though. Like we could sell off quite a bit and it's like, yeah, it's still fine. ES is trying right now. ES is trying real hard. NQ doesn't look like shit right now. We'll see what this 5-minute candle does. Oh, what a jam. What a jam. This is one of my favorite songs, honestly. It goes hard. Yeah, Eunice, that options analytics video, let's pull. I'll give you a little preview, alright? Alright. Yeah. So basically, I mean, we go to our options analytics tab every morning. Let's pull that up. We go to our options analytics tab. Let's pull it up. 32 strikes should be enough. And every morning, pre-market, about, no, well, let me turn the music down. Let me turn the music down. Hold on. Apologies there. So what we have here is our options analytics tab, and what I'm looking for on our ES strike prices is I'm looking for the maximum call volume, which is over here, and I'm looking for the maximum put volume, which is over here. And 10 minutes pre-market, we should have enough volume from the overnight session to make these levels actually matter. And what I'm doing is I'm taking those two levels and I'm plotting them on this chart here, and that's what these are. This is the call volumes is the green and the put volumes are the red. And what I'm looking for and what I'm assuming is you see all this call volume and then you're seeing all this put volume. Well, the call volume is where the bulls think the price should go for the day, and the put volume is where you see the bears expect price to go for the day, which then gives you an expected daily range when we open up in between those walls. You're like, all right, well, bulls think we can get to here today, or bears think we can get to here today. This is where the max payment of either one is going to be. So then you can trade accordingly, be like, all right, if I'm bearish today, I know what level that I want to trade to. Or if we open near one of those levels, you're like, all right, well, we're already at the max that the bulls think that we can go for the day. So I'm not going to be entering longs, right? Or you have situations like we had this week where we're opening above the call volume, right? We had a day where the call volume and the put volume was about equal. That means there was a lot of indecision in the market. So we were needing the market to make a decision and go one way or the other. So we broke to the upper side that day. And then the next 2 days, we opened above the call volume, which implies that we're opening even higher than bulls thought we could go for the day, right? Which in turn is going to make us even more bullish. We're going to squeeze the heck out of shorts that day because we're already above where their stops should have been for the day. And that's what happened. Both those, every single day that's happened historically over the last 6 months, that's what's happened. Is when we open above that call wall, we squeeze. And that's kind of what we were trying to play here at close, which didn't quite happen on NQ. Looks like it might be happening on ES, where we're going to get over here and we're just going to squeeze into close. But also, like I said, with the way this week's been, I'm not too incredibly jazzed one way or the other. That's why we were just playing with one singular micro. Didn't quite happen how we wanted on NQ. But the same is also for shorts. We break below that put wall, we're going to sell off really, really hard. And we're going to liquidate, and then it's going to get a little choppy. So that's basically what I'm doing and what we're doing every day in that call put volume level or channel. And yeah, it's very straightforward. It's got some extreme merit to it. And what's really sad is I actually went back like 6 months and I did all of these days, right? And it looked so good and I was so excited to share it. I updated my Quan Tower and I lost all of them. So I didn't go back. I just went through what we had in our what I had saved in the Discord and loaded that up and like, all right, we're just gonna use what we got so far. Because it takes forever to replay every single day. But yeah, like I said, if you don't have level 2 data, if you're just using prop firm data, like I said, every day in the Discord we post it in the hashtag call put volume channel. So you can just use those levels there too and post them every day. And if you want these historical levels too, I post this chart in there so you can actually upload this chart to your Quan Tower so you don't have to manually put in these levels yourself. Do I look at the levels changing intraday, like volume profile? Yes, but I don't change these levels. These levels stay exactly the same all day, because I want to know if we're above or below those initial opening levels. But I will pay attention, and I'll go to the options analytics tab, so you can see that it's a little bit better to see on NQ here. Is this the right? Yes. So on NQ, I like to watch and see, okay, is this max volume moving one way or the other? Right? So if we have more volume getting put in over like let's say we get above the call wall, right? And then all of a sudden the options max volume moves up even higher. Well, that means the bulls are getting more bullish. So I was like, all right, that gives us more that gives us a little bit more confidence to take more longs after we break above that call wall. Be like, all right, bulls are more bullish. They're wanting to buy higher. We're okay with that. Or like today, for instance, when we opened, the put wall was at 14,800. It was really, really low. But then bulls came in, we started ripping, and that max volume for the put side, it's now at 1,500. Which means that the bears became less bearish. They're still buying their puts, but they're way higher than they were. So the bears became less bearish, which is also a good sign that, hey, we're probably going to go up higher, or at least that's the maximum down they think we could get for the day. So those are kind of like the different things that I look at. And the same thing works in the bear market too. You go back. I mean, we've had a bear market for the last like 3 months, right? And this is kind of where this was developed. So you can see that as well on the bear side. If the max call wall comes down, or if the put wall goes down, you know that bulls are becoming less bullish or bears are becoming more bearish. But yeah, that's the call put volume that we've been using, and like I said, it is so incredibly helpful having that predicted range, and it's been extremely accurate. Yeah, I want that end of day squeeze to happen as well, but I'm not. It looks like we might get another wick down here, which certainly would be disappointing. But oh well. Like I said, ES looks a lot better than NQ does right now. NQ, I mean, we're underneath that call wall, so it's a little less appealing to take the long now. Like I said, I liked the long at the level, but when we start, going up and down, it starts getting choppy. It's just like not as fun. So I'm glad I took the stop when I did. But I mean, if it rips to high, I'd be sad. But either way, we were wrong on the kind of theory we had there that the call wall was gonna hold. But like I said, it's Friday. It's Friday afternoon of all things. Like, you can't really expect levels like that to have hold, especially after the week that we've had. The sell-off is just too possible. Like, who's really that eager to buy this late on the rip? But like I said, it's worth throwing a micro at. And ES is still holding for now. It could definitely flush out. Sorry, I had the music turned down low. Turn it back up for the vibes. I tell you what, we don't really have I'm just like, there's some sellers kicking in, but not like super gnarly yet. Like, they sure are taking their sweet time at hopping in here, which, I mean, I guess I would be too after the week we had. Maybe I'm living the dream. Maybe I've been plugged in the matrix to sleep. These people always come in negativity and trying to rent some space up in my head. This ain't Airbnb. Either way, homie, I'm feeling blessed. So call me Elon Musk, I've needed space from every ex. You want my heart, but that shit would've stayed inside my chest. I know that I was built from vibranium like what kind of bitch. Never been faking, I've really been taking the music. It's really a part of me, but I know getting a label to get what you shouldn't put up is like winning the lottery. What an economy, go between loving the thought of the money to dropping the quality just to make something the radio plays. And we'll put in the face of the listener constantly. Whew, trying to keep me hidden, but they just afraid. You're locking me up in the box, but I'm Harry Houdini. Keith is about to pack a bowl. Rocky, I'm sure he's joining you. I live in Kansas, so it's like highly illegal here. That's still a hefty prison sentence. See, if I only had a brain and a heart, well, actually the opposite will have you music on these charts. So fuck the wizard and the road. I'm leaving. Man, we really fighting this 180 level here. I'm jumping from nothing to something I'm thinking they really don't know. Hey, but it's getting the top of the month and I'm bringing the heaviest flow. Hey, see, they just don't get it. I'm bringing the party like I was again. I can bet again, rocking the tools. I'm like so tempted to get in long here. We've been fighting here for so long. I'm not going to. We already took the L. Like, I kind of want to. Oh, there's literally 2 minutes until Murder Algo. Look at that. I bet we flush real hard right off Murder Algo and maybe buy up. Either that or we just chop right around. What did we say like literally 30 minutes ago? That we're gonna close at 43.80? Yeah. Yeah. And we're there. Huh.
Turn myself into a pickle, Morty! Boom! Big reveal. I'm a pickle. I'm Pickle Red!
We'll sit here and wait what happens. If we flush real hard, we might buy up again. 43.80.
Wow, dude, I honestly, I don't even know what we're doing at this point. This is too much.
There's that little bit of a sell. Is that Murder Algo kicking in? Not yet. We still got a couple. We got 40 seconds until Murder Algo.
Woody Harrison in my swish. Sending 24 pounds to Virginia. Nigga, hope you be moving what I send you. Tearing your area, then I'm right back in you. Pockets from small towns, I bust it wide open. Hop with the coppers, I'm on the first thing smoking. Living a good life, it got me West Coast. Life is a pretty bitch that I fuck with no Trojan. Go run the raw dog, bed back to crack, prepared that. Living neat, sleeping in the dope house on the F-Mat. Point blank range, just brains on my F-Mat. Weak niggas, I took care of that, I'm aware that. That one is sitting on my shoulder. Over the years, sold the grown much colder. Father be with me, I'm sick of slinging these boulders. But I can't stop until I'm the king of these corners. Good to the soul. Smoking with my young mind, killing through the night. I hope I live to see the sunshine.
Such a vibe. Murder Algo is commenced. That was like kind of lame. Not much happened there. You wouldn't even know Murder Algo happened. That wasn't even passive aggressive. That was just non-existent Algo.
Niggas got me now, I gotta get some get back. Got me chillin' when you're cheering in your bitch at. Niggas thinking I ain't in the trench cause I spit raps. I got family members smoking bass in the basement. Gotta have my jewelry cause my uncle might take. Jewelry the other side, the motherfuckers fake. Running rotation, I think my nigga just laced it. Got me straight
He says it has been lame the last couple weeks. Well, I've been gone the last 2 weeks, so outside of this week. But yeah, it has kind of lame there, ain't it? Let's see something spicy happen. How are we supposed to YOLO all of our gains away if price ain't even gonna move? Just some casual profit taking in the close. It's like, it's so casual though. Where's the violence? Where's the bloodshed?
Wake up in the morning
Oh, what a
feeling like
vibe.
PD.
What up,
Put
girl?
my glasses on out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Ain't got a care in the world, but got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, cause they hear we got swagger.
Keisha is life, baby.
Curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting crunk, crunk. Boys try to touch my junk. Gonna smack him if he getting too drunk, drunk. Nah, we go until they kick us out. The police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
There we go. My mic randomly switched to my webcam mic. Had to fix that. Can't be having that kind of nonsense going around.
With my hands up, you got me now. You got that sound, yeah, you got me. You build me up, you break me down. My heart it pounds, yeah, you got me. With my hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Now the party don't start till I walk in. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no.
You know what time it is. You know what time it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is the last 5 minutes of the day, which means
There's a stranger in my
it is time for some Katy Perry.
glitter all over the room. Pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a mini bar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Bobby's on the barbecue. This a hickey or bruise. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. Now we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards and get kicked out of the bar. So we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark. Then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night, yeah, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Here's Friday night, do it all again.
Man, we got 3 minutes left in the day here. Is something gonna happen? Or are we just gonna sit here and just like passively kind of sell chop around? Like, come on, let's get spicy. Let's get spicy after this week we've had. Come on, show me what you got.
Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. Now we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards and get kicked out of the bar. So we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark. Then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night, yeah, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Here's Friday night, do it all.
These Bears ain't fighting hard enough. They need to make something happen if they want to sell it. But they're really trying to fight hard to close here at 43.80. Two-minute warning, ladies and gentlemen. Is the market going to do something? That's the big question. Is it going to do something into close?
Do it all again.
time. Open all the doors and let you out into
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our final minute of the day. Thank you all so much for stopping in. I hope everyone had a fantastic week, and I hope even more you have a fantastic weekend. We're going to sit here and we're going to watch this last minute here, see if anything can happen. But, man, it sure ain't wanting to. It's fighting to do nothing right now. Hey, thank you, Brian. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Max. Thank you, everyone, for stopping by. I appreciate every single one. Every single last one of you. If you haven't yet, go check out the Options Volume video that we dropped earlier today. It's a banger. If you haven't, hit the like button. If you haven't, join the Discord, drop a meme, come hang out. Man, like I said, we've had a great week. It's been a great week hanging out with all of you. And bang, that is the end of the market right there. What a disappointment. Literally no spice to end the week off. But hey, we got a lot of spice all week long, so I guess that's about how she goes. So yeah, we'll catch all of you on Monday and stream next Friday. Thank you all for hanging out and have a fantastic weekend.